Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to another CFAT Canadian Forces Aptitude Test practice test in problem solving. So in this video, I'm gonna solve 5 problems and I'll explain the solutions to this problem using grade 10 math. Okay, so without further ado, here is the set number 3 problem solving questions with answers. Number 1. A certain Filipino family has 5 children whose names are Ruby, Rohel, Virgie, Glory, and Caesar. The oldest is Ruby, who is 79 years old, a year older than Rohel. Rohel is 2 years older than Virgie, who is 6 years older than Caesar. If Caesar is 4 years younger than Glory, how old is Glory? So the correct answer here is 74. Now to solve this, we need to determine our given. So we are given the present age of Ruby, which is 79, right here. So it's given that Ruby is 79, and then we're given that Ruby is a year older than Rohel. So therefore Rohel is 78. Okay, and then from that point, we're also given that Rohel is 2 years older than Virgie. So Virgie must be 76. Okay, then another one is given is Virgie is 6 years older than Caesar. So therefore Caesar is 70, because 76 minus 6 is 7. And then here is the final clue. If Caesar is 4 years younger than Glory, how old is Glory? So then we know that Caesar is 70, and we are given that Caesar is 4 years younger than Glory. So therefore Glory is 74. Okay, so then in summary, here are the ages of the children. Ruby 79, Rohel 78, Virgie 76, Glory 74, and Caesar is 70. So Glory 74, letter B. Okay, moving on to number 2. So here's a very local problem. A gardener in Vancouver Island, yes, Vancouver Island, has a water tank with a full capacity of 600 gallons. Using his solar-powered pump, the gardener fills up the water tank halfway. He used 200 gallons to water his plants and then ran the pump and added 380 gallons. What is the percentage of the new level of water in the tank? So again, we need to realize our given. 600 gallon full capacity. He used 200 gallons and added 380 gallons after watering his plants. So here are the choices, and the correct answer is 80%. So solution, as I mentioned, we need to realize our we're given 600 gallons water tank capacity. He pump halfway, so the half of 600 is 300. So he filled up the pump to 300 gallons halfway. So then he used 200 gallons to water his plants. So now 300 minus 200, there are now 100 gallons left in the tank. So after watering, he filled up the tank, he ran the pump and added 380 gallons. So therefore the new level of the tank is now 100 plus 380 is 480 gallons, the new level in the tank. And now all we have to do now is to solve for the percentage of the new level of water in the tank. 480 divided by 600 times 100% is equal to 80%. Okay, and 80% is letter D. Number 3. Find the missing number in the sequence below. 12, 2, 34, blank, 56, 30. Correct answer is 12. So this is a little bit tricky, and the solution is that the second number is formed by multiplying the digits of the first number and so on. So the first number is 12, and if we multiply the digits of 12 is 1 and 2. So 1 times 2 is equal to 2. Then the third number is 34, and the digits of 34 is 3 and 4. We multiply 3 and 4. 3 times 4 is equal to 12. Okay, and this will become 3 times 4 is equal to 12. This will become the fourth number, which is what's missing. And then the next number is 5, 6, and the digits of 5 and 6 is the digits of 56 is equal to 5 and 6. So if multiply 5 and 6 is equal to 30. So yeah, so this is the solution right there. 5, 6, fifth number. 5 times 6 equals 30, which will become the sixth number. Okay, and moving on to number 4. What is the next number in the sequence below? 0.5 thousand, 1.2500, blank, 3.0625. Here are your choices, and the correct answer is B, 2.1250. The solution is like this. The number on the left of the decimal is increasing by 1, while the number on the right side of the decimal is being divided by 2. So I'll let you read that and understand. Okay, and then if we look back here, so as you can see here, the left side of the decimal on the first number is 0, and the second number is 1 on the left side, so therefore the missing number is 2 on the left side of the decimal, because the fourth number is 3. 3 is the number on the left side of the decimal. And on the first number, the right side of the decimal is 5,000. If we divide 5,000 divided by 2, we get 2,500. And if we divide 2,500 divided by 2, we get 1,250. And if we divide 1,250 divided by 2, we get 625. So like I said, the solution is like that. The number on the left side of the decimal is increasing by 1, while the number on the right side of the decimal is being divided by 2. Okay, there it is again, right there. So now we move on to number 5, the last problem for this video. A 300-gallon tank can be filled by 3 pumps in 30 minutes. How many pumps are needed to fill up a 1,200-gallon tank in 1 hour? So in order to solve for this problem, we need to check our given. Okay, and here are the choices. 6 is the correct answer, letter C. So take a moment to look at the given. 300-gallon tank, 3 pumps, 30 minutes. And then we're required to find out the number of pumps needed to fill up a 1,200-gallon tank in 1 hour. So there are 2 steps for this solution here. Step 1 is to solve for the fill rate in gallons per hour of the 3 pumps. So for the 3 pumps, it was mentioned that the 3 pumps can fill up a 300-gallon tank in 30 minutes. So in 1 hour, we need to solve the gallons per hour fill rate of the 3 pumps. So we just divide 300 divided by 0.5, which is 30 minutes. Right there, we're given 30 minutes to fill up. So 300 gallons divided by 0.5 per hour, or 30 minutes, we get 600 gallons per hour. That is the fill rate of the 3 pumps. And now for the step 2, we need to solve for the number of pumps using ratio and proportion. Okay, so using ratio and proportion, 3 pumps is to 600 gallons per hour. X pumps, unknown, is to 1,200 gallons per hour. So as we can see here, the number of gallons per hour has doubled up. So therefore, the number of pumps must be doubled as well in order for the ratio to work. Or we can also use basic algebra here. 3 is to 600 is equal to x is to 1,200. So we cross multiply. 6, we get 600x is equal to 3 times 1,200. 600x is equal to 3,600. X is 3,600 divided by 600. We get 6 pumps. Okay, and that's it for this video. If you have any questions in this video, just let me know in the comments, and I hope this has helped you prepare for your CFAT problem solving test preparation. And I'll see you on the next video. Wish you all the best in your CFAT test. I hope your you pass your CFAT test, and wish you all the best in your career in the Canadian Forces. Okay, cheers and have a good one.